Hello students, welcome to your English class. This is your Goldfish English Primer book, Part C. Open page number 11. Students, today we will revise sound of vowel O. Letter O sound is O. Okay student, so let's start. You read with me, okay? Letter O, letter B, sound is ob. You read with me. S, ob, sob. R, ob, rob. K, ob, cob. H, ob, hob. M, ob, mob. I repeat again. S is s, ob, sob. R says r, ob, rob. C says k, ob, cob. H says h, ob, hob. M says m, ob, mob. Next line. Letter O, letter P, sound is op. T says t, op, top. M says m, op, mop. H says h, op, hop. L says l, op, lop. P says p, op, pop. I repeat again. T, op, top. M, op, mop. H, op, hop. L, op, lop. P, op, pop. Okay, students? Bye bye. Have a nice day.